Hey traders, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to create this quick video today to share an amazing educational opportunity that can help to improve your trading skills all from the comfort of your own home. On March the 11th, the 5%ers are offering a free 6-hour live event dedicated to everything related to trading management. This is a golden opportunity to level up your trading game, whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader. During this event, you'll get expert insights from 8 different trading professionals. There will be 6 different 1-hour sessions, all covering trade management. There will be some free resources to help to enhance your trading strategies, a contest with exciting opportunities, and a special account offer that isn't actually available to the public. To join this exclusive event, simply visit the 5%ers website or join using my special link in the description below this video to register your spot right away. So this is a rare opportunity to learn from 8 trading experts, gaining some valuable insights that can really help to level up your trading game. Here is an agenda of the day on the 11th of March. So there are different lessons going on throughout the day. As I said before, they are each 1-hour long sessions. Money management, sizing the right way to get paid, risk management, ratios, mitigation, and everything in between, trade management, make money even when you are wrong, portfolio management, managing drawdowns and profits like a pro, self-management is always about the driver, and a live demonstration Q&A session. So it sounds like there will be a lot of golden information on there. Here is a short clip of the different speakers that you will see on the day. Each of them have their own experience from different facets of trading, from Forex trading to stock trading. And in terms of those exclusive tools I talked about, there is actually a strategies ebook, which looks like it will be very interesting, a trading plan, mindset hacks, and position sizing cheat sheets. There will be some giveaways available, and the first 5,000 traders to access will gain access to an exclusive trading contest. So there's a lot going on. And as I said before, it is a free registration, so you've got nothing to lose. As you guys know, if you already follow my channel, I am a very busy mother of 2 children under the age of 3. So it's highly unlikely I'm going to make all of the lessons on that day, unfortunately. But I'm going to register because it's free and I've got nothing to lose. I'm going to see if I can access a replay of the sessions, because it looks like there's going to be a lot of information in there and I don't want to miss out. But I thought I'd just share this with you so that you can join in as well. There's nothing to lose, it's free, and it can only level up your trading game. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, please drop me a like. I know it's a quick one, but remember to subscribe and you can catch more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!